Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the solution of this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. In this question we have to find the value of x. What would be the value of x when we replace the value of x? So this equation would be satisfied. So the question is 2 power 4x plus 16 equal to 5 power and 2x plus 8. So let's begin the solution of this question. Here 4 is common and here 2 is common, so I can write it as 4x plus 4, and this become 2x plus 4. Now I can also write it as 16x plus 4 and 25x plus 4. Here both have same power. X plus 4 is here and x plus 4 is here, so I can write it as x power 16x power 4 divided by 25x power 4 equal to 1. So now the power is, these both number have same power, so I can write it as 16 by 25 whole power x plus 4 equal to 1. So now since 16 by 25 is not is equal to 1, so x plus 4 is equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to minus 4. So the value of x is minus 4. When you put minus 4 here, you will get 1 is equal to 1. So this means this equation is satisfied. I hope you like this.